We want to be able to give our members and any customer the opportunity to be able to buy a tire and us provide a mobile service for them. With the Epic system, we've got the compressor, we've got several inverters. One is a 110 inverter, that 110 volts, that allows us to be able to run accessories from it, such as computers, printers, which we use in our business. We've got the 210, 200, or 220 outlets that we are running our tire equipment off of, and that's working out wonderful. The fact that it's battery driven, the fact that we don't have to deal with the heat, we don't have to deal with fumes, exhaust, those were some real bonuses, but the noise was also a big thing. Our trucks are going into neighborhoods, they're going into people's jobs, and so a nice rattling compressor or a generator that makes a whole bunch of racket wasn't the optimum solution. And so the decibel level's real low on this, and we're able to go into neighborhoods, and it's not a big deal, which is nice. It's also compact, so it fits in our footprint we're not talking about a lot of space here. So we have to be able to fit all this equipment into a little space, and we still got to put a tire changer in there, got to put a balancer in there, we got to have tools, we got to have, and this allows us to be able to have a compact unit, quiet, full power, and it allows us to run our systems, and it really doesn't even feel it. I mean, the compressor keeps up very, very well, and that was another attraction to the Epic system, is there's several things here besides a compressor. This has a unit in it that will allow us to be able to do electric vehicle charging. And electric vehicles are here to stay. And it's something we're going to have to deal with. And especially from a AAA side, from the emergency roadside service, we've got to be able to have an option and have a solution to be able to service electric vehicles on the road. And so this was a great outbreak from what we were originally planning just with my pit crew. Now that we've got the EV charger built into this system is expandable to where we can add the EV chargers, and I guess they're going up to level 3 now. And with the level 3 EV chargers in our emergency roadside service vehicles, it'll be a home run for us. It'll be something we'll be able to actually be able to help people with. The secret sauce for our future success, I think, is going to be built around this Epic system, because there's not too much out there like this. I think that's going to make us different and give us a competitive advantage over anybody that's doing this, is that the Epic system in and of itself allows us to be able to do things that we wouldn't necessarily be able to do with a conventional gasoline setup. Plus, we have got to come up with a solution. The Epic systems seem to be they're working for us the way we anticipated. So.